Have you ever questioned the reality you experience daily? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? We all navigate through life, perceiving the world around us in our unique ways. But have you ever stopped to wonder why it is the way it is? You see, the way we perceive reality isn't just a matter of sight, sound, or touch. It's also a product of our beliefs, our attitudes, our worldview. What if I told you that the reality we experience isn't a fixed, unchangeable entity, but a malleable construct that we shape with our thoughts and beliefs? Yes, you heard that right. Our beliefs and worldview shape the reality we experience. They act as a lens through which we interpret and respond to the world around us. Each of us holds the power to alter this lens and subsequently, the reality we experience. If you're ready for a paradigm shift, let's delve into the mirror principle. The mirror principle is a powerful concept that can transform your reality. Now, I understand that might sound a bit cryptic, so let's break it down. Imagine standing in front of a mirror. What you see is a reflection, a mirror image of yourself. Not a single strand of hair out of place, not a freckle missing, it's you, pure and simple. Now, what if I told you that the world around you is just like that mirror? Yes, that's right. The world reflects back to us what we believe and how we perceive ourselves and our place in it. This is the essence of the mirror principle. Consider this. Have you ever had a day where everything just seemed to go wrong from the moment you woke up? You stubbed your toe, spilled your coffee, and then got stuck in traffic. Now, you might say you're just having a bad day, but according to the mirror principle, it's more than that. Your mindset, the way you view the world, is being mirrored back to you. Your belief that it's a bad day is creating more experiences that reinforce that belief. But here's the beautiful part. If the world is our mirror, we have the ability to change what it reflects back to us. If we shift our beliefs, if we change our worldview, the mirror changes too. Think of it as a dance. You lead and the mirror follows. You decide to see the world as a place of opportunity, a place filled with kindness, and that is what you will experience. It's a simple but profound truth. The world is a reflection of you. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how do we actually apply this principle? How do we change what our mirror reflects? Well, the answer lies in 4 keys. 4 keys that can unlock the potential of the mirror principle and transform your reality. Now that we understand the mirror principle, let's explore the 4 keys that can unlock its potential. The first key to unlocking the mirror principle is awareness. Awareness is not just about being conscious of your surroundings, it's about understanding the inner workings of your mind, the beliefs you hold, and how they shape your reality. Imagine a pair of glasses. This pair of glasses represents your beliefs. Everything you see through these glasses is filtered by your beliefs. The world you perceive is an interpretation based on these beliefs. If you believe the world is a hostile place, you'll see hostility everywhere. If you believe the world is a place filled with love, you'll see love in every corner. Now think about a time when you felt stuck in a situation, unable to break free. Perhaps you felt trapped in a dead-end job or in a relationship that wasn't serving you. You might have thought that the situation was beyond your control, that the world was against you. But what if I told you that the feeling of being trapped was not because of the world outside, but because of the beliefs you held within? Lack of awareness of your beliefs can limit your experiences. It's like wearing a pair of tinted glasses without realizing it. You might think that the world is naturally a certain color, but it's actually the color of your glasses that's tinting your perception. Becoming aware of your beliefs is like realizing you're wearing glasses. You start to understand that the world is not inherently hostile or loving, it's your beliefs that shape your perception. You realize that you have the power to take off these glasses, to change your beliefs, and consequently, to change your reality. Remember, your beliefs are not set in stone. They are shaped by your experiences, your upbringing, and your culture. And just as they were formed, they can be changed. Awareness is the first step in this transformation. It's about acknowledging your beliefs, understanding their impact on your reality, and realizing that you have the power to change them. With awareness, you're one step closer to transforming your reality. The second key is acceptance. Now, this might seem counterintuitive at first. Acceptance doesn't mean resigning to the status quo or giving up on change. Far from it. It's about acknowledging the present, however imperfect it may be, and understanding that this is the starting point of your journey. Imagine trying to navigate your way out of a maze while refusing to acknowledge where you are. It's impossible, right? It's the same with life. The first step to change is accepting your current reality, even if it's not where you want to be. Perhaps you're stuck in a job you don't love, or you're grappling with a health issue. Maybe your relationships aren't as fulfilling as you'd like them to be. It's okay. Acceptance isn't about loving these situations, it's about saying, yes, this is where I am now, but it's not where I'll always be. Acceptance strips away the power of denial and fear. It gives you the clarity to see things as they truly are, not as you wish or fear them to be. It's like cleaning the mirror to see your true reflection. And here's the beautiful part. When you accept your current reality, you free up so much energy that was previously consumed by resistance and denial. This newfound energy can then be channeled into creating the reality you truly desire. Acceptance paves the way for transformation. The third key is change. It's a simple word, yet it holds a power so immense it can shift the very fabric of our reality. Change. It's not just about altering our physical world, but about reshaping our beliefs and worldview. Consider this. If you've always believed that you're not good at public speaking, you'll likely feel nervous each time you stand before an audience. Your palms might sweat, your heart might race. But what if you change that belief? What if you tell yourself that you're an engaging speaker, capable of captivating any crowd? Over time, as this new belief takes root, you'll find your nervousness fading. Your reality shifts because you changed your belief. The same applies to our worldview. If we believe that the world is a hostile place, we'll see hostility everywhere. We'll interpret a stranger's frown as a personal affront, a friend's criticism as an attack. But change that worldview. Believe instead that the world is filled with kindness and understanding, and you'll start to see it. That frown becomes a sign of someone's bad day, not a personal insult. That criticism becomes a friend's attempt to help you grow. Change is not easy. It's often uncomfortable, even painful, but it's necessary. It's the key that unlocks a new reality, a reality that mirrors our deepest desires, not our fears. After all, change is the catalyst for a new reality. The fourth and final key is persistence. Now, let's picture a river. Over time, its flowing water can carve a path through even the hardest of rocks. This is a testament to the power of persistence. Just like the water in the river, our new beliefs and worldviews need to persistently flow over and over again to carve a new path in our minds. Imagine if the river suddenly decided to change its course one day. It wouldn't be able to carve a new path immediately, would it? It needs time, and more importantly, it needs to persist in its new course. The same goes for our beliefs and worldviews. They cannot change our reality overnight. They need time and persistence to make a lasting impact. Think about the most successful people you know. Did they achieve their success overnight? No, they didn't. They persisted. They held on to their beliefs even when times were tough. They kept pushing, they kept believing, and they kept working towards their goals. And over time, their reality changed to match their beliefs. Let's take another example. Consider a person trying to lose weight. They don't see results in the first few days or even weeks, but they persist. They stick to their diet. They keep exercising. And over time, they see a change. Their persistence pays off. That's the power of persistence. It's not just about changing your beliefs and worldviews once. It's about consistently maintaining those changes day after day, week after week. It's about not giving up, even when you don't see immediate results. Remember, change is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It takes time. But if you're persistent, if you keep pushing, if you keep believing, you will see a change in your reality. And that's the beauty of the mirror principle. It reflects not just your beliefs, but also your persistence. Your consistent, unwavering persistence in maintaining your new beliefs and worldviews. With persistence, the mirror principle becomes a powerful tool in your hands. The mirror principle is not just a concept, it's a way of life. This principle invites us to question our reality and, in turn, our beliefs. It's a journey of self-discovery that starts with awareness. Understanding that our beliefs and worldview shape our experiences is the first key to transforming our reality. Acceptance, the second key, allows us to acknowledge our current beliefs without judgment. It's about embracing who we are right now, even as we strive for growth and change. Speaking of change, it's the third key. It's the active step of replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. The final key is persistence, maintaining these changes over time to ensure they become ingrained in our reality. It's about consistency, resilience, and a steadfast commitment to your personal evolution. So, start questioning your reality. Start questioning your beliefs. Because the power to transform your world is within you. Remember, your reality is a mirror of your beliefs. Change your beliefs, change your reality.